the world's first alarm clock that actually wakes you up with bacon. Here's how it works. You set the alarm for, say, 7 a.m. The next morning at 6:50, the clock silently turns on, heats up the bacon to a crisp.
You can cook the bacon and then eat it.
That's right.
Shut up.
I'm serious.
So, Maddie, what happens when we've sold 10,000 of these and the 10,001st catches on fire and burns the couple to death in their bed?
It has to be UL listed, which means it's safe for the home. For
Yeah,
any
but I'm going to ask you, do you think they want an oven cooking bacon next to a bed?
You could sell how many units?
I'm not sure. I don't have a projection of how many units I could sell.
This is fantastic.
You got no projections whatsoever. You got a pig box that's going to catch on fire and kill somebody. I'm going to be sued into the Stone Age. I'm out, but I'll give you $100 for the pig box.